If you build it, they will come. That's the idea behind the new renovations for the 66-year-old Sinclair Library.
As Erin Fujitani reports, a new design team is working to revamp the building into a state-of-the-art facility that hopes to attract more student engagement on campus, as well as student success.
UH Manoa's Sinclair building is getting a new facelift in 2023. The structure will undergo major changes as a new way to enhance student experience.
So we really see this as a kind of a new home for the campus, and we just hope that everyone is as excited as we are about it.
I think it'll just have a different feel, something more than just I got to prepare for an exam, I got to do homework, and it's going to be much more than that.
It's always built towards the future and making a better environment for the students to learn in.
Renovations will cost the university $65 million. The project's greatest challenge is a quick turnaround timeline. Construction plans to begin in the summer of 2023 and end in the fall of 2024.
It's a tight time frame. Our commitment is to design and build it within approximately 2 years.
We're going to put our best foot forward to make every deadline that we need to.
Once completed, designers hope the new facility will truly reflect the digital age with innovation and creativity. For UHMtv, I'm Erin Fujitani.